Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our online class. Let's start it.
Today we will learn before numbers. Ducks are carrying numbers 1 and 2. Number 1 duck is before number 2 duck. Ducks are carrying numbers number 3 and 4. Number 3 duck is before number 4 duck. Ducks are carrying numbers number 5 and 6. Number 5 duck is before number 6 duck. Ducks are carrying numbers number 7 and 8. Number 7 duck is before number 8 duck. Ducks are carrying numbers number 9 and 10. Number 9 duck is before number 10 duck.